Yes. Welcome back mathematics online classes. Dear students, the last class already we started applications of derivative third fourth topic. Yes, clear? The increasing and decreasing function. So first of all, what do you mean by increasing function? So if f of x, so f of x is any function, then the derivative of, so f dash of x is the first derivative. You have one rule, that is the first derivative test. The first derivative test, using first derivative test, then the function is increase or decrease. So if f of x is the function, then the f dash of x is greater than 0. That is called as the strictly increasing function. So same as f dash of x is less than 0. This is the strictly decreasing function. Clear? So already some problems already discussed as yesterday class. So now today onwards we are going to start some more problems on increasing and decreasing function. Right on. Right on. Find the next problem. Find the function. Find the function of the interval. Find the function of the intervals. So intervals are strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, or strictly increasing are strictly decreasing functions. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು as the yesterday class is given by the function as the curve of the function, we find the intervals. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, intervals ಗಳು ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಹೌದಾ. but now to find the interval of the function ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, interval ಗಳು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. next function is increase or decrease, the interval become increase or decrease. take on some examples. So first one, f of x equal to so x square plus 4x plus 9. It is the curve of the function. So x square plus 4x plus 9. It's a very simple is there as x square plus 4x plus 9 as a function to find the intervals of the strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Look at it. So first of all, this is f of x. What do you mean by f dash of x? So f dash of x equal to, so d by dx of x square is the 2x plus d by dx of 4x. What do you mean by d by dx of 4x? It is just for 4. So 2x plus 4, this is the f dash of x. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. look at here. So ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, what is the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing? So f dash of x is greater than 0, it is the positive. So greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, positive. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. So it is the strictly increasing and f dash of x is less than 0, is the strictly decreasing, is the negative value. look at here. What is the condition? If f dash of x equal to 0, then you get the value of x. F dash of x equal to 0 तो ना मेरी value of x सिगता. So look at here. So 2x plus 4 equal to 0, then 2x equal to minus 4, then x equal to minus 2. So therefore, then the term of x equal to minus 2. Look at here. हाथ में intervals available था वो. Therefore, so it's a 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity, 1, 2 up to plus infinity. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ minus 2 ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು. This is the minus 2, the value of minus 2 is the minus 3. Therefore, then the intervals are, there are two intervals is there. The first interval is minus infinity to minus 2, minus infinity to minus 2. Another interval minus 2 to plus infinity. The first interval is minus infinity to minus 2 and second interval minus 2 to infinity. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ f dash of x equal to 2x plus 4, you got the value of f dash of x equal to 2x plus 4. So taken as any value. So ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ in between minus infinity to minus 2. taken as any value. So if x equal to minus 4, so as the x equal to minus 4 is in between minus infinity to minus 4, as a ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ minus infinity to minus 2 ಒಳಗೆ x equal to minus 4. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ x equal to 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, so x equal to minus 4 and x equal to 1, as x equal to minus 4, this is the as the point of x equal to minus 4, this is in between minus infinity to minus 2. As x equal to 1 is minus 2 to infinity. Substitute in f dash of x. F dash of x one half value. Adra f dash of minus 4 ಕಂಡಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ f dash of minus 4 like ಯಾವ ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into minus 4 plus 4, so it's a minus 8 plus 4, so minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು, if x equal to minus 4 ಆದಾಗ the value of f dash of x equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ minus 1. It is the negative or positive, therefore the value should be negative. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. if suppose x equal to minus 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. x equal to minus 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, the value should be negative. So as the interval of minus infinity to minus 2, so all the values should be negative. All the values are negative, therefore this is the strictly decreasing function. Strictly decreasing interval. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಿದು minus infinity to minus 2 is the strictly decreasing. Clear? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ if x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So take if x equal to 1, so 2 into 1 plus 4, therefore 2 plus 4, so is the 6 is the positive. Positive ಅಲ್ಲ, because any value ಬೇಕಾದ value ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ positive ಬರುತ್ತೆ, therefore it is the positive. Positive means it is the strictly increasing. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the interval of minus 2 infinity to minus 2 is the strictly decreasing interval, and minus 2 to infinity is the strictly increasing interval. Perfect. So this is the strictly decreasing and this one is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. So yes, take the next problem. Say find the intervals in which the function strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Find the intervals in the function strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Write the function if f of x equal to 2x cube minus 12x square, 2x cube minus 12x square plus 18x plus 15. Plus 18x plus 15. So it is a function. Then find the intervals. The intervals are strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. First of all, as the function to find, so f dash of x, repeat by f dash of x, as the dy dx of 2x cube is 2 is constant. Outside of the derivative, dy dx of x cube is 3x square. 3 into 2, 6x square minus dy dx of 12x square, value is constant. Outside of the derivative, dy dx of x square is 2x, which means 24x plus dy dx of 18x is only for 18 plus dy dx of 15 become 0. Therefore, then the f dash of x equal to 6x square minus 24x plus 18. Then what is the condition? Condition of the interval is f dash of x equal to 0. So 6x square minus 24x plus 18 equal to 0. So take a 6 common. Because of all the constant term is multiple of 6. So this term can be written as x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Or therefore equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So it is the quadratic equation, right? The multiple of equation is minus 4 and add and subtract become 3. Therefore equal to 4 ones are 4, then the add and subtract become 3x means it's a positive and it's a negative. Therefore this equation can be written as x square plus 4x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Oh sorry. One second. And the multiplication term is 3, add and subtract become 4 minus 4. Multiplication is 3, add and subtract become 400, 3 ones are. So both are minus. Because of minus 3 to minus 4, 1 is plus 3 and minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 is become minus 4. So it's the x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. So these two are the same term. As the first term x is take common, remaining x minus 3 minus 1 is take common, remaining x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, then the solutions are x minus 3 and another one x minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 3. So x minus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to. Then how many intervals is there? There are 3 intervals. No, intervals 0, 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity. So x equal to 3 and x equal to 1. So interval undo minus infinity to 1 interval minus infinity to 1 ಇದು first interval. Next second interval 1 3. Next third interval 3 to infinity. There are 3 intervals. So minus infinity 1 1 2 3 3 to infinity. So take the any value of the interval of minus infinity 1, take any value. So ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ x equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು 0 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. As the 0 is equal to minus infinity 1. So then ಇಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 2 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So here ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ, intervals are positive, negative or if suppose the interval become positive, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ strictly increasing, negative ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ strictly decreasing. Substitute the value of x equal to 0. X equal to 0 ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ f dash of x ಒಳಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ, so f dash of 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ 6 into 0 0 minus 24 into 0 0 only for 18 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಕ್ಕದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this is the positive. So only interval positive ಅಂದ್ರೆ therefore minus infinity 1 is increasing, strictly increasing interval. So minus infinity 1 is the strictly increasing interval. Next, so if x equal to 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಪವರ್ x equal to 2 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. So f dash of 2, so 6 into 2 square minus 24 into 2 plus 18. So 6 into 2 square, 6 into 4 24 minus 48 plus 18. So 18 plus 24 is 42 minus 48, therefore equal to it's a minus 6. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇನು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, therefore the 1 3 is the decreasing. Second one, the 1 3 is the interval of 1 3 is the strictly decreasing. Next the third one, x equal to 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, x equal to 4. So x equal to 4. So f dash of 4. So 6 into 4 square minus 24 into 4 plus 18. So 6 into 4 square is the 4 square is 16. 16 into 6 become just like 96. 16 into 6. Next 24 4s are 98. Next plus 80. Therefore 96 plus 80, 114 minus 98. It is the 16, the positive value. So is the third interval become positive. So third interval is positive ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, it is also the third interval 3 to infinity is also is increasing. So positive ಅಂದ್ರೆ increasing, negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ decreasing. Difference is there. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the strictly increasing intervals are minus infinity 1 and 3 to infinity are the 96. Yes, this is also is the 24 into 4 is the 96. 96 comma the plus 96 minus 96 get cancelled and the remaining value is 18. the value is not important, but it is only for the sign, positive or negative. So it should be positive, 18 or 16, whatever it may be. It is the 18 is the positive, therefore the third interval is also positive. It is also strictly increasing function. There are two intervals are strictly increasing, minus infinity comma 1 and 3 to infinity are the strictly increasing, and another interval is 1 comma 3 is the strictly decreasing interval. Clear? Yes. Yes, going to next problem. Write down. Say find the intervals in which the function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. A function f of x equal to 8 plus 36x 8 plus 36x plus 3x square minus 2x cube. Find the intervals in which the function are strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. A function f of x equal to 8 plus 36x plus 3x square minus 2x cube. Clear? Look at here. First of all, to find f dash of x equal to d by dx of 8 becomes 0. Then d by dx of 36x andra 36 plus d by dx of 3x square andra straight 6x plus minus d by dx of 2x cube andra 6x square. So therefore this function can be written as minus 6x square plus 6x plus 36. Therefore, so take a minus common, minus of to kumudri in bantu 6x square plus minus 6x minus 36. So this is f dash of x. So first term here we go. Positive the coefficient of x square should be positive. So that minus of to kumudri. So again I do x square 6x square minus 6x plus minus 36. Therefore, what is the condition? So f dash of x equal to 0 because of find the value of x. From the 6x square minus 6x minus 36 equal to 0. 6 is take common, remaining x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, this term can be written as x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. What is the multiplication term? Minus 6 add and subtract become minus 1. 3 to the 6. Therefore, it is the negative and it is the positive because of the symbol becomes a negative. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6. Therefore, this term can be written as x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So therefore, x is take common, remaining x minus 3. Plus 2 is take common, x minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore, there are two solutions. The first one x minus 3, another one x plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 3. So x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 2. As the f of x equal to 8 plus 36x plus 3x square minus 2x cube, then the f dash of x is 36 plus 6x minus 36x square. So it can be written as it's minus, so this take common 6x square minus 36x minus 36, and again 6 is take common as x square minus x minus 6. Then the solutions are x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 3, and the intervals become 0, 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity. Therefore, how many intervals? As x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3. First intervals बताओ. So this is first interval and second interval minus 2 to 3 and 3 to infinity. There are 3 intervals is there. So minus infinity comma minus 2. Next minus 2 to 3. Finally 3 to infinity. Take a value. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x equal to minus 3 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ x equal to 1 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 5 ಬೇಕಾದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ನೋಡು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್. Therefore, what is the function? Is the flash of x equal to 36 plus 6x minus 6x square. With the value, what is the value? If you have x equal to minus 3 to go, then your flash of minus 3 is 36 plus 6 into minus 3 minus 6 into minus 3 whole square. So 36. So 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 3 square is 9. 9 into 6 is minus 54. So this is the value should be negative. Negative bantala value minus 18 minus 54 andra it is the nearest value of 72. Is there 72? Minus 72 plus 36 andra minus 36. So this is the first one is negative. First one is negative, but negative which means it is the strictly decreasing function. First interval should be negative. First interval negative ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು strictly decreasing. Next second interval ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ value? f dash of 1. So 36 plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, equal to 36. So second interval are positive. So this is the positive. Positive means as the minus 2 to 3 is the strictly increasing. Next the last one, x equal to 5. X equal to 5. X equal to 5 haga ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? So f dash of 5 equal to 36 plus 6 into 5 minus 6 into 5 square. So 36 plus 30 minus 6 into 25. So 36 plus 30 is 66 minus. So as the 6 into 25 rest value 150 ala. So as of 66 minus 150 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ here again the value should be negative. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 84 minus 84. The third interval is also negative. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? So these two are the decreasing and this is the increasing. Then the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So as the interval of minus 2, as the minus infinity comma minus 2 and 3 to infinity are the strictly decreasing functions, and our 2 to 3 is only for strictly increasing. So these are the problems on strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Again, some problems about yesterday class alone we discussed the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing in interval how to find the solution of the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing, and today we find the intervals of the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Error type problem. These two types of problems are strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So we continue next class. The last part of the applications of derivative, the maxima and minimum. This is the important concept as the maxima and minimum. Thank you very much.